We got another classic for you today on how to have fun 4x4. That's right, the Jeep truck. This thing was called the Willys Jeep truck, and it was made by Willys Overland Motors from 1947 to 1965. The styling and engineering of the Jeep truck was based on Willys' existing vehicles, the Jeep station wagon and the Jeep that we're all familiar with. Take a look at this gorgeous pickup truck. They sold over 200,000 of them, and it was a four-wheel drive. Take a look, super rare and hard to find today.